Hey everybody and welcome for a new video about the gun. Yes, for now we are just finished the trigger, so we need to make the system to shoot the bullet that will be just released by the trigger, and after I think it will be finished for the first gun. So we just need to make a little piece of rectangular plastic and drill a hole for the guider to move along. So there's a big hole through the piece that will be the bullet part, and the hole on the side it's a thing to guide the the mechanism that will shot the bullet through the gun. So I am just making two little pieces of plastic on the side because I'm using elastics to shot the bullet, so I will fix the elastic on the ports on the top and the bottom. So for now it's glued, but on the final gun it will be a part of its own, and it will be in the part to not be unglued by the forces that applies on it. So this is finished and we need to test it. So we don't have the assemblage, but for now you can see there's an elastic from the two parts on the side and you don't saw the bullet go. So you have another video in slow-mo because it's so fast that you can't see it by your eye. And look at this, look the speed of this bullet. So it's working. See you in the next video because we will make the next video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.